Hello Eagle Targeters, welcome back to our channel, where we consistently deliver the latest and fastest updates in the field of current military affairs.
Palladyne AI Corp has reached a groundbreaking milestone with its Palladyne Pilot AI software platform. The company successfully completed the first autonomous flight of a third-party small drone, showcasing its ability to identify, prioritize, and track terrestrial targets seamlessly. This innovation marks a significant leap in AI-driven drone technology, enabling advanced navigation and surveillance capabilities. Palladyne AI's latest achievement highlights its continued leadership in artificial intelligence for robotic and unmanned platforms. The recent test flight demonstrated how the Palladyne Pilot AI integrates with third-party autopilot systems to autonomously control navigation while prioritizing and tracking selected targets. This advancement brings high-level intelligence and functionality to cost-effective, small drones that were previously only available in larger, expensive unmanned systems. Before this milestone, Palladyne AI had proven its platform's capability to identify and prioritize targets using stationary nodes and hovering drones. The recent autonomous flight marks the first successful integration with third-party autopilot software, enabling full navigation control and persistent target tracking. This progress showcases the platform's ability to automate critical drone operations while retaining human oversight for ultimate decision-making. Our first autonomous flight with Palladyne Pilot demonstrated the powerful capabilities of our AI platform, said Dr. Denis Garagic, co-founder and CTO of Palladyne AI. By automating tasks where algorithms excel, while keeping human operators in control, we are paving the way for affordable, intelligent drone systems. We anticipate full commercialization of Palladyne Pilot by the end of Q1 2025. Palladyne Pilot AI is engineered to meet the rigorous demands of modern defense operations. Its cutting-edge capabilities empower drones to execute missions with higher precision and efficiency, reducing human intervention and response time. Palladyne Pilot's development stems from multiple contracts with the U.S. Air Force. From inception, it was designed as a collaborative sensing platform for small drones. It represents one of the foundational technologies, along with Palladyne IQ, in Palladyne AI's suite of solutions. Palladyne AI plans to complete commercialization of Palladyne Pilot by Q1 2025. This milestone will make sophisticated intelligence and autonomous features accessible to small drones, bridging the gap between affordable UAVs and high-cost unmanned systems. Palladyne AI's success in autonomous target tracking underscores its commitment to advancing AI technologies for defense and industrial applications. With the Palladyne Pilot AI software platform, small drones gain transformative capabilities, enabling smarter missions and enhanced situational awareness. As commercialization approaches, Palladyne AI stands poised to reshape the future of unmanned systems with its cutting-edge innovations.
Thank you for watching. Hopefully, this show can broaden the knowledge for you and your family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help grow this channel even bigger.